Hey everyone, today I have a quick review on the Ego 21-inch Select Cut, and I'm going to keep this review short and sweet, basically highlight my pros of what I like about the mower and some cons that I haven't really heard too many people talk about, and it might surprise you. So stick around to the end of the video and you might learn something. I've had this mower for about a year now. Don't mow a ton of lawn. I've got 3,500 square feet up front, 35 in the back, so 7,000 square feet total. This 7.5 amp hour battery lasts, I could basically do the front, the back, and then the back again, and that battery can last plenty of that even after a year. So battery, haven't had any issues at all. The main complaint that I would like to talk about is the suction. And I think a lot of electric mowers have this issue compared to gas, but this being my first electric mower, it really stood out to me is how poor the suction really is. You still get a great cut with the mower, but if you're used to gas and being able to go over a pile of leaves that are kind of nestled down in the grass, sometimes this mower, even with the high lift blade, will not suck up that stuff that you want to basically get up out of the grass. And especially if you're mowing at a taller cut, 4.5 inches, 4 inches, the thing that really annoys me is it's not sucking all those grass blades up and getting a clean cut. You're gonna have kind of grass that's matted down in the bottom and not getting sucked up and then cut. So what ends up happening is you cut your whole lawn at 4 inches and it looks really good, but when you get down and kind of investigate a little bit, there's sometimes 6-inch, 7-inch pieces of grass that are just nestled down in there and they're not getting sucked up properly. So really the main con for me is the suction on it. I'll briefly mention as well, for the first 9-10 months, no issues at all with the battery. Recently though, and I'll put some clips in of this, I've had the battery, the mower will shut off in the middle of a run, and the battery will basically have a red ring around it. It's easy to fix. I take the battery out, press the power button on the battery, and then it shows the green again, stick it right back in, and then it's fixed at that point. Overall, if you don't have a ton of lawn to cut and you're just tired of dealing with oil and all the other things that come with a gas-powered mower, all the extra maintenance, I think I would still recommend this mower. If you're going to be mowing very tall cut grass and you're coming from a gas mower, that transition might be a little harder, but that's the main point I haven't heard a lot of people talk about, is the poor suction. Another thing you'll notice is I've got a rolling kit on this. That's what helps get kind of these great stripes in the lawn, and I would recommend that for people who are wanting just that next level look on their cut. The striping kit, it makes a big difference. It adds a lot of weight to the mower, but that striping kit is going to be the biggest upgrade you can make to improve your lawn, I would say. Another big pro of this mower is the weight. So before I put on that 20-pound striping kit, I believe this mower is somewhere in the 50-pound range, where a lot of gas mowers are going to be closer to 70 pounds. You can really feel that difference. It is extremely light to push around, definitely great for any moms or women out there who want to mow the lawn. This will be very easy to do. The self-propelled works very good as well. One of the final things I'll say, and this isn't a deal breaker by any means, especially if you're mowing the lawn with headphones in, the whining noise that the mower makes when you're doing self-propelled is pretty annoying. I normally mow with headphones in, but you can still sometimes hear that, and I'll put a clip in right now to show you kind of what that sounds like. So like I said, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Here's a list of the main pros and the main cons. Biggest con, the suction. It's going to be a lot worse than your average gas mower. I can't really compare it to any other battery mowers, but it's definitely much worse than gas. It's serviceable. You can see, you can get a decent cut, but it's going to leave some stragglers behind. Second big con is the whine from the self-propel. Not going to be a huge deal if you have headphones in, but it can get kind of annoying. Pros, the weight of it, super light, especially even when you put the roller on, it's still about as heavy as a gas mower with a 20-pound roller on it, so no complaints there. And overall, battery is a huge bonus compared to gas. There's almost zero maintenance. Throw the battery on the charger, take it off. It works right out of winter, no issues. So I still would recommend battery mowers if you're not super used to a gas mower and the suction that those provide. But just know that there are some cons.